Hello, today we will talk about how to change the order of our tests and a bit about the philosophy of writing them. Let's write 3 tests, doing it as we did in previous lesson with a pseudo database. That means we will have a test where we check that we have connected to the database. Next, we will write a test where we check that we have closed the connection to the database. And for the third test, we will check some data from the DB. I emphasize again, these tests are not real. In the assert you should check the expected and actual results. We really should connect to the DB, not just write it in print. Here our test always pass because we are focusing specifically on our topic today, etc. on running tests in a certain order. Choose who understand how database work knows that to retrieve some data from the database we need to be connected to it. But also we need to close the DB after work. Therefore, by this logic, we need the test that connects to the DB to work first, the second that checks the data, and the third that closes the DB. We currently have this result. As you see, the order is not as we need. What can we do? The simplest and least professional is just to rearrange the test in the order we need. That is to move our data check test to the middle. If you are ready to sacrifice professionalism and will always remember that you cannot change either the order or launch or move tests to other files or into classes, then this option is for you. But this is a very bad practice and should not be done. We are professionals, and professionals configure the framework, not hoping that everything will work. We have a solution called PyTest Order. We install it through PyCharm. Also, you can do it through the terminal by entering the command pip install PyTest Order. Now to indicate the sequence, we have a decorator, but before that, don't forget to import PyTest. We have our decorator. Respectively, where we write order 1, it will work first, order 2 second, and so on. Now let's change the order of our test to see the effect. As you see, everything works as we needed. You must understand that this knowledge and such an order should be used only when you are sure that is exactly what you want to achieve. The right way is when you write your tests independently. That is, you make a separate fixture for the test to check the DB connection, where there will only be a post condition that will close the connection. For the test of closing the connection, write a fixture that will connect to the database. And for data checking, a fixture that will both open and close the connection to the database. Now I will show you 2 methods that you may encounter or on a project that are already non-working. The first is to write mark run, like this. As you see, it didn't affect the order. Also, you may encounter the library PyTest dependency. It also does not work. We will not even try it, but remember it. Now you know which of the option is working and which is already outdated. I hope you understand that if you have some knowledge, it should be used when needed, not when possible. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a great day.